So dear students, after 10th sum of question number 6, we will see the 11th sum of question number 6. Please pay attention and understand the identities of trigonometry. See, proof that 11 number sec raised to 4a bracket multiply 1 minus sin raised to 4a bracket complete minus 2 tan square a is equals to 1. Here a used instead of theta. Theta means angle. Okay. Here also a for angle. See, now we will utilize this left hand side. See, proof LHS means left hand side is equals to sec raised to 4a bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a. Can you see here I have underlined here 1 minus sin raised to 4a. So there is no value of like this. ऐसी कोई value ही नहीं है जिसमें 1 minus sin raised to 4a कुछ है. So we will separate it. Okay, we will see its simplest form. So we will multiply, we will see it is 1 plus sin square a multiplied by 1 minus sin square a. See, instead of this we have written, इसकी जगह पे हमने इसको split किया है 1 plus sin square a bracket 1 minus sin square a. See, you multiply this, you will get this answer. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 plus minus minus sin square a multiplied by sin square a sin raised to 4a. Okay, so this is as it is. Instead of this 1 minus sin raised to 4a की जगह पर we will split it into two simple multiplication, that is 1 plus sin square a multiply 1 minus sin square a. इसकी जगह पर ये दो आया, बाकी as it is. Okay, now see I have underlined here, this is the value of cos square theta. Why? Because we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So cos square will be there only, cos square theta वहां पे रहेगा, sin square theta will go to the right hand side. It will be cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. यहाँ पे theta की जगह पर यूज हुआ है capital A. So you will say sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Therefore cos square A is equals to 1. Sin will go there, it will 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square A की जगह पर हम रखेंगे cos square A. Okay, other as it is. Now can you see I have underlined here sec raised to 4 and tan square a. Sec raised to 4 means sec is the reciprocal of cos, so we will write 1 upon cos raised to 4a. Next as it is here cos raised to a minus 2 tan is tan. What is the value of tan? Sin theta upon cos theta. So sin square a upon cos square a, because यहाँ पर square है इसलिए sin square a upon cos square a. Is it clear? Tan is equals to tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Here tan square a is equals to sin square a upon cos square a. It means इसकी जगह पर हमने लिखा है 1 upon cos raised to 4a और इसकी जगह पे हमने लिखा है sin square a upon cos square a. बाकी as it is. Now we will do multiply. Numerator का numerator से, denominator का denominator से. So this will come as it is. 1 plus sin square a is 1 plus sin square a. Cos raised to 4 ones are cos raised to 4a. Now here cos square a upon 1 will multiply here, so it will cos square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Now here can you see I have cut something. Cos square a is cancelled here because here cos square raised to 4. यहाँ पे 4 cos थे, यहाँ पे cos 2 है, तो ये दो इसकी 4 में से कट हो जाएंगे. So how much will left? 2. See here it is square, here it is raised to 4. So from this square and from this 4 2 cancel. So what will remain? 1 plus sin square a upon cos square a. 4 में से ये 2 cancel हो गया, so 2 will left over. Is it clear? What will remain? Minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Now subtraction is possible because denominator are same, cos square a, cos square a. Subtraction, we will do the subtraction over here. Look at here, 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Now see I have split this, मैंने इसे ओपन किया है. minus 2 sin square a we can write minus sin square a minus sin square a. अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे it will be 1 sin square a minus 1 sin square a. So 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so हमने इस minus 2 sin square को split किया है, यानी simple किया है. So we have written here 1 minus 2 sin square की जगह पर हमने लिखे हैं minus sin square a means 1. Okay, minus 1 sin square a minus 1 sin square a, total minus 2 sin square a, right? From this plus sin square a and minus sin square a will get cancelled like term. What will remain? 1 will remain, plus and minus sin square a upon cos square a. We know that 1 minus sin square a is the value of cos square a, because sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1, and therefore cos square a is equals to 1 minus sin square a. Sin square will go to the right hand side, it will be 1 minus sin square a. तो हम इसकी जगह पर हम लिखेंगे cos square a. So cos square a upon cos square a is 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. We have to prove over here sec raised to 4a multiplied by 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a is equals to 1. So this is how we have to solve. This we will split. हम इस 1 minus sin raised to 4 को open करेंगे, 1 plus sin square a 1 minus sin square a. Then हम sec की जगह पे लिखेंगे 1 upon cos, tan की जगह पे लिखेंगे sin upon cos, sin theta upon cos theta. Other we will do the multiplication and division, and then at last we will do the subtraction is possible because denominators are same. Then we will split here, minus 2 sin square theta को open करेंगे, it will be minus 1 sin square theta minus 1 sin square theta, plus minus will get cancelled. Here 1 minus sin square theta, sin square a will left, इसकी जगह पर आएगा cos square a. Therefore the answer will come 1. I hope you understood the 11th sum. Now we will see the 12th sum. So dear students, now we will see the last question of question number 6. Prove that. Please pay attention. This is different from all of that. So please look at the board. This is 12th one. Tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. Left hand side is equals to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. So what is given in the question? This is left hand side. So always we are starting our proof from the left hand side. So we will take this ratio tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. हमने इस ratio को लिखा, right? Now see, there is sec theta minus 1. ऐसी कोई value ही नहीं है. So in this condition, what I have taught you, we will take its conjugate pair. हम इस sec theta minus 1 का उल्टा opposite pair लेंगे, that is sec theta plus 1, and we will multiply this ratio. tan theta को भी multiply करेंगे sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 को भी multiply करेंगे sec theta plus 1 से, because it is conjugate pair. इसका conjugate pair है. How? Why we are taking this? Because sec theta minus 1 किसी की value नहीं है, and to rationalize the denominator, हम यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर को रैशनलाइज कर रहे हैं by taking its conjugate pair. Okay, and then we will multiply that conjugate pair, वो opposite pair, हम इन दोनों रेशियो को multiply करेंगे. So we are multiplying it. The answer will be tan theta multiplied by sec theta plus 1. Here it will be a plus b, a minus b. So it will be, see here, sec theta multiplied to sec theta, sec square theta plus multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 square, right? Now 1 square means 1 only, so we will write as it is. See, tan theta multiplied by sec theta plus 1 upon sec square theta minus 1. 1 square means 1 only. So my dear students, here sec square theta minus 1 is the value of tan theta. Okay, so we will write over there, we will mention okay, this sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. How? Because we know 1 plus tan square theta. Pay attention here, we will write 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta is equals to sec square theta. Therefore we will write sec square theta is equals to we will write here tan square theta is equals to, therefore tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, I hope you understood here. We know that there is a trigonometry formula, that is geometric trigonometry is there, trigonometry identity is there, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So therefore we will write tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. 1 will go to the right hand side, it will minus 1. So it will be tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. It means sec square theta minus 1 की जगह पर हम लिखेंगे tan square theta. Now see, this is tan theta, this is tan square theta. So one tan will get cancelled, one tan will remain as it is. So what is sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta? This will left, ये बाकी बचेगा. Now can we write this left hand side जो लिए थे, this is equals to this? Yes. See, we have written over here, this left hand side is equals to this. ये बचा हमारे पास. See, tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equals to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Now from theorem of equal ratio, theorem of equal ratio क्या है? अगर if a upon b is equal to c upon d, then a upon b is equals to the addition of these two. See, a plus c upon b plus d, यानी this is your a upon b. Left hand side आपका a upon b है. So what is equal theorem? Equal theorem is saying a upon b, यानी this tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equals to, do the addition of this a plus c upon b plus d. Okay, so we will write that same a plus b, a upon b की जगह पर this first LHS tan theta upon sec theta minus 1, that is a upon b, then a plus c, that is tan theta, this is a, right? So tan theta plus c sec theta plus 1 upon b, this is sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta. So we will write it properly. We want tan theta first, so we will write same tan theta upon sec theta minus 1, numerator as it is tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta you want first, we will write tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. I hope you understood here. Everything is easy. We will rationalize this denominator. We will multiply the ratio by sec theta plus 1. You will multiply sec square theta minus 1 is the value of tan square theta. तो sec square theta minus 1 की जगह पर आप लिखेंगे tan square theta. Tan will get cancelled. Sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta will remain. So this a upon b is equals to this c upon d. हम लिखेंगे a upon b is equals to c upon d. Then we will do equal from the theorem of equal ratio. This is a upon b is equals to a plus b, a plus c upon b plus d. This is the theorem of equal ratio. तो ये a upon b है. So a upon b you will write as it is. A plus c you will add and b plus d you will add, and then you will write properly. I hope you understood here. So thank you so much. Best of luck. Here we finish the practice set 6.1. You should learn the identities of trigonometry, ratio, formulae of trigonometry, and everything will be very much easy. So best of luck and thank you so much.